In addition to creating files with Google Apps, you can also upload files that have already been created on your computer using, say, Microsoft Office or even notebook software for your smartboard. You can use your Google account. Right now you have 6.5 gigabytes of space, and that will increase as Google continues to build storage centers. You have 6.5 gigabytes of storage space on the cloud, which is pretty substantial, so you can put a lot of files up there. Or create a lot of files there. Well, in order to upload files, I click on this button, the upload button. I can upload individual files, or I can upload entire folders of files. So if I make a folder on my computer, put a bunch of files in there, and I'm going to upload them, I can. You have to use, however, the Google Chrome browser to do so. Google has begun putting out its own browser like Internet Explorer or Safari or Firefox. And it works really well with Google Apps, but in order to upload a folder you need to use the Chrome browser. I'm using Safari here because it seems that that's what most people use. So I'm going to upload a file. It's going to ask me which file do I want to put in. Here's a Word document that I made earlier this summer, so I'm going to click on that. It takes just a second, and now I can see that it's in my drive. This W indicates that it's a Microsoft Word document rather than this is a Google document, a Google Doc. So I'm going to click on that. And since it's still a Word document, a .docx, you'll notice I don't have any of the tools where I can work on it. So this is just kind of like using my Google account as a flash drive. I can, however, modify a Microsoft Word document, and here's how I do it. If I go back to my drive, I'll right-click, or if you have a Mac without a right-click button, control-click, and I want to export this to Google Docs. What it will do then is open up this file in the Google Docs version of the word processor, and now you'll see I have the tools and I can make changes to this. So if I say I want to change the color just so I know that this is not the same one that I had before, I'll make it italics too. I can, and as with the creation of Google files, it saves automatically for me. So if I close this out and go to all the items in my drive, here is the original one that I uploaded, the .docx. Here is the new one that I made that is a Google file. Okay, you can see now I can continue changing it. So you can use your Google account as either a flash drive or as a way to upload and then continue working on Word files. You just need to export them as Google files. Another thing I could do, even though it won't read a notebook file, I can upload a notebook file. So let me find one here really quickly. There's some stuff that I used to teach. I'm going to upload a notebook file from September 1st of 2010. That is now in my drive. I won't be able to read it. Google Docs won't be able to read it, but now that it's in there, I can download it to my computer and then run it from my computer. So I can use my Google account as a flash drive. Now if I click on that, it'll open up Notebook and that will work. So you can move notebook files from one computer to another using your Google account as well. That comes in handy if you don't have a flash drive or whatever it is that you use to move files from one place to the next. Notebook is firing up here, so there's that notebook file, and now I'm running it on my computer, not with Google, but I could go ahead and make changes to it if I need to as well. Hope this helps. Have a great day.